Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the condition is very bad in KOKRAJHAR town. Yes, there is flood everywhere and the water has entered my house also. Right now I'm going with my mom to the market so that I can bring stuffs for my kitchen. So let's see what we will get. My mom is pointing at some fishes, but I can't see which is there in the road. So we are taking some milk for the house so that we don't have to come always in this water. So finally we have reached the Gangpema market of KOKRAJHAR town. Here we are, so sad. We were finding some pork but we couldn't find, so we took some chicken and also some vegetables we are going to take. So let's see what we will get. And the jackfruit is one of my favorites, so mom has decided to take one. So, and also we have completed our shopping way back to home. I would like to say it is a very sad thing for us that every year during this month of June or July, we are having so much of flood everywhere, everything. It is mainly in KOKRAJHAR town mainly. It is mainly because I would say there is no proper planning of the town, there is no proper drainage. If government want to take initiative, then they should look into the matter seriously. So completed. Yay, you can see the fishes which have come in our courtyard too.